You ever see one of those commercials where for some reason, some dumb white person can't perform the simplest task? It's like,
are you tired of your hose always getting tangled and mangled? Have you almost killed yourself trying to water the plants?
no! That's never happened! You know why? Because using a hose is one of the easiest things in the world. It's right up there with breathing. It's easy. You pick it up, you turn on the water, and you just go. You spray your little plants, you wash the dog, drown a couple ants, whatever. At what point does this get complicated? How dumb do you think we are, sir? Or ma'am? I don't know what gender this commercial is. And I hate how they always say something like, are you worried about your hose? What the no, I'm not worried about my hose.